How to fix Instagram app not working in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and search Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Troubleshoot Settings. Here, click on View Troubleshooting History or Additional Troubleshooters, which will lead you to this page. Scroll down in here, and at the bottom, you will find Windows Store Apps. Click on it. Press on Run the Troubleshooter. Press on Yes in here. It will detect problem. If there is problem, it will simply solve it as well. But this is not the problem and your Instagram is not working. What you can do is search Instagram at the bottom. Right click on it. After you right click on Instagram, simply click on App Settings. In App Settings, scroll down at the bottom, click on Reset. Press on Reset again. After everything is done, you can open Instagram, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram app not working in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.